we get a couple of good winds, all of these are going to blow off too, because they've been manipulated so much, which unfortunately is unavoidable in repairing this roof, just because of its age. It's too brittle, and it will absolutely fail again. Alright, didn't mess with that one. Got nails in all those. Nails in all those. I nailed these little guys that were hanging on by a thread. Got those nailed down. So this is the area of the previous repair. These shingles, before I replaced them, were damaged because this previous repair required manipulating these two shingles, which creased them. Wind comes whipping through here, tears them off. Same thing is going to happen to these right here. And hopefully you can see it in my video here, where these are starting to crease. See that crease line right along there from having to manipulate them so much. Hope that's what y'all needed. Hope that video is sufficient. Are you joking? There's the previous repair. Don't know who did it. There's our repair. Here's our creased shingles here. Same thing happened with that repair. Same thing happened with these others that have been done over here. And they replaced these shingles around this pipe boot. They creased it real bad. We'll replace this one. We did the same thing. Creased it real bad. You can see all these little pieces blown off. There's another good crease. You can see when they did this repair, they creased that one really bad. Not saying they did a bad repair, it's just unavoidable on shingles that are this brittle. You can see it on the shingle above the tarp, where these guys put this massive tarp on here. You can see creases in every shingle that they touched. They're just too brittle to be repaired.